Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. Today we are going to discuss all the questions that were asked in our weekly test 1. So let's start with the first question. Find the area of an equilateral triangle with side 10 centimeter. So I have drawn a triangle whose each side is 10 centimeter. So what is the formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle? It was root 3 by 4 a square. So what is A? A is the length of the side. So what is A? A is our 10 centimeter. So root 3 by 4 A square, that is 10 square. So it is root 3 by 4, okay, into 100. So the final answer that can be is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, next question. If the angles of the triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, find the angles of the triangle. Okay, so let the angles of the triangle be, let the angles of triangle be 2x, 3x and 4x. Okay, if I draw the diagram, I can write it as this as your 2x, this as your 3x and this is your 4x. So we know the sum of angles of triangle is triangle equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x plus 4x will be equal to 180 degree. So 9x equal to 9x equal to 180. So x will be equal to 180 divided by 9. So we have got x equal to 20. Now, what were our angles? First angle was our 2x. So 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. Second was 3x, that is 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. And the last angle was 4x, 4 into 20, that is 80 degree. So we have got all the three angles of our triangle. Okay, next. The area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter. Find the base, sorry, if the base is 12 centimeter, find its altitude. Okay, now see, I have got a triangle, okay, whose base is given as 12 centimeter. And they are asking me to find the altitude of this triangle. Okay, so let us represent it by h. Okay, now we know that if we know the base and the height of any triangle, we use the formula for area is area equal to half into base into height. Okay, so what is area here? Area is given as 48 centimeter square equal to half into what is base? Base is given as 12 centimeter and height, let us assume it h. So we can find the value 4 times we cancel out. Okay, now This is, so h will be equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have got the value of h. The hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle. So what is the meaning of isosceles right angle? Isosceles right angle triangle means we have perpendicular base and hypotenuse in a right angle, and in isosceles right angle triangle means our perpendicular and base is equal. Perpendicular equal to base. Okay, now so h is given as 10 centimeter, and we don't know what is perpendicular and what is base. So let the length of perpendicular and base be x centimeter. Okay, now so we know perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, what is perpendicular? So we have taken perpendicular as x square, base is also x because perpendicular and base are same, and equal to h is given as 10, so 10 square. So 2x square equal to 100. We can cancel it out, we'll get 50 here. So x square equal to 50. So x will be equal to under root 50. Now, they have asked me to find the area of triangle. So area equal to half into base into height. So half, what is base? Base is root 50. And what is height? Is also root 50. Okay. Many people will get confused here, so I will writing here. This is your not or base into height. Okay, not your hypotenuse. So you can cancel out. You will get 25 centimeter square. Okay. A rhombus has perimeter 120 meter and one of its diagonal is 50. Find the area of the rhombus. So you know what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal. Okay. Now we can say this side, this side, this side, and this side is equal. And perimeter is 120 meter. So if we assume that length of one side is A, so this is also A, this is also A, and this is also A. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of rhombus will be equal to 4 into A, and perimeter is given as 120. So 120 equal to 4A. So A will be equal to 30 meter. So it is meter. Let us write it as a meter. Okay. Now we have got the value of A. Okay. Now one of its diagonal is 50 meter. One of its diagonal is given as 50 meter. Now what is the property of diagonals of rhombus? That means diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. So you can see I have got a triangle here, and bisect means if whole is 50 degree, I can say this is 25. Okay. Now, and this we have got as 30 degree. So if you look at this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. And from here, we can easily find the length of this side. So what is that? Let us assume it as C. So we can say C square plus 25 square equal to A square, that is 30 square. So C square equal to 30 square minus 25 square. So C square equal to, we can say 30 square is 900 and 25 square is 625. So from here you will get c square equal to 275. So c will be equal to under root 275. This is the unit is meter, so let us take it a meter. Now, so what is the length of the full diagonal? See, half of the diagonal is C, and since diagonal of rhombus bisect each other, this value will also be C. So I can say the complete value of this diagonal will be 2C. So I can say 2C will be equal to 2 into root 275. So it is 2 root 275. Okay. Now, we have been asked to find the area of the rhombus. So what is the area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus is, so we write it here, area of rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2. So what is d1 and d2? They are the length of the diagonal. So half into length of the one diagonal is given as 50. Okay, and length of the second diagonal we have calculated, that is 2 root 275. Okay, now you can see 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So you are left with 50 into root 275. So we'll calculate this. Okay, now let me raise this. Okay, now you must note each and every steps. Okay, because this is very important question. See, 50 into, if you prime factorize this, what you will get here? First, let me give it as a 5 times. So 5 into, you can write it here, 275 in factorization. If it is given 5 times, 5 and then 5. Then it will go 5 and then 11. So you have put 5 into 5 into 11. So I can write this 50 into 5 into root 11. So final answer is 250 root 11 meter square. Okay. Question was lengthy, but we have discussed each and every step very well. So please note it down in your copy. Now, the area of an equilateral triangle is 2 root 3 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. So what is an area of an equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. So let us find the a. See, if we have a triangle, and equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay, so this is the length of the side. A is your length of the side. So this is given as a 2 root 3 centimeter square equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 will get cancelled out. So you will be, a will be equal to, so a square will be equal to 8 centimeter square. So a will be under root 8 centimeter. So you can say it is 2 root 2 centimeter. Now they are asking you to find the perimeter. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is, since all the sides are equal, we can write 3 into a. So it is 3 into 2 root 2. So it is 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Next question. The area of an equilateral triangle is, that find its height. Okay, this question is very easy. That, but you have to understand it step by step. Okay, so let's see. Let me draw a triangle. Okay, and the length of sides, let us keep it as a from here to here. Okay, now I am drawing a height that is perpendicular to it, but it will be midpoint of this point. So it will be divided this as a by 2 and a by 2. Okay, now we have drawn the diagram now. Now let us write. So area of an equilateral triangle is area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So what is the area is given as? Area is given as 81 root 3 centimeter square equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Now root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled out. So your a square equal to 81 into 4 centimeter square. So a will be square root of 81 into 4 centimeter square. Sorry, centimeter square, you can write it as a centimeter outside. Now 81 can be written as 9 into 9 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So that means this can be written as 9 into 2. The final answer will be, uh, that means I'm going to have found the length of the side of triangle, that is 18 centimeter. Now they have asked me to find the height, this one. Okay, if I draw this triangle outside, I will get this as like this. Okay, this is our a by 2, this is our a, this is our h. Okay, now if we relate this everything, that you can see that a square equal to h square plus a by 2 whole square. Okay, now from here I can write h square equal to a square minus a square by 4. So h square will be equal to 4a square minus a square by 4. So finally we can see h square. I have no space here, so let me delete this part. So we have got h square equal to 3a square by 4. So h will be equal to square root of 3a square by 4. So I will get h equal to root 3 by 2a. So now I can put the value of a here. So h equal to root 3 by 2 into a. And what is a? A we had got as 18. So it is 9 root 3 centimeter. Okay. You can directly remember this formula also. You don't have to derive like this. Okay. You can directly remember the height of an equilateral triangle as root 3 by 2a. And from there you can find the value. Okay. Next. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay. So we have got the triangle whose sides are given as 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, now what are we going to do? We know this is an scalene triangle, and for finding the area of a scalene triangle, we need to first find the semi-perimeter. What was semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter was finding the perimeter and dividing it by 2. So it is A is our 13, B is 14 plus 15 divided by 2, so I will get S equal to how much? 27, then 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. So finally I got S equal to 21 centimeter. So now we'll apply the formula area equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So we know this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. Okay, so S is our 21, 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So I got under root 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. Now, after solving this, you will get this answer as 84 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides measure 13 centimeter each and the base measures 24 centimeter. So let me draw a triangle whose sides are given as 13 centimeter. Okay, that means these two sides are equal and base is given as 24 centimeter. So they are asking me to find the area. So area of an isosceles triangle equal to, we know, B by 4 into under root 4a square minus b square. So here equal sides are represented as by a. So our a is 13 centimeter and b is 24 centimeter. Okay. So b by 4, what is b? B is our 24 centimeters. So 4 divided by 4 into 4 into 13 square minus 24 square. So this can be written as 6. So 6 into root. See, 4 into 13 square is 169 minus 24 square is your 576. So now I can write this as a 6 into under root 4 into 169 can be written as, okay, minus 576. So this can be written as 6 into root 100. Now the final answer will be 6 into 10, that is 60 centimeter square. Okay. The perimeter of the triangle is 44 centimeter. Find its sides and its sides are in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 7. Find the area of the triangle. Okay. So let the side of the triangle be, let the sides of triangle be 5x, 6x and 7x centimeter. Okay. Now that means I have got a triangle whose sides are given as 5x, 6x and 7x. So perimeter will be equal to sum of the sides. So what is perimeter? It is 5x plus 6x plus 7x. Always remember, whenever you have been asked to find the perimeter of any triangle, just add the sum of the length of the sides. So perimeter is given as 54. So 54 centimeter equal to, this is 18x. So x will be equal to how much? 3 centimeter. So the value of x is given, we have just found the value of x, that is x equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have got the value of x. So now I can use this value of x to find. So our sides are 5x, that is 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter. Okay. Another side is 6x, that is 6 into 3, that is 18 centimeter. And the third side is 7x, that is 7 into 3, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, since we know the perimeter, we are going to find the area of triangle, right? So we know the perimeter of the triangle. So we know the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is nothing but the half of the perimeter. So it is 54 divided by 2, that is 27 centimeter. Okay, now I'm going to use this to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so let me find the area of triangle here. So area of the triangle equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it is under root. What is the value of S? We have got it as 27. 27. Now 27 minus 15, then 27 minus 18, and then 27 minus 21. Okay, so I can write this as 27 into 12 into 9 into 6. So after finding the answers, you will be getting as this. Okay, now what will be the value of this? Up, it is 54 root 6 centimeter square. Okay, so now the next question. The sides of the triangle are 35 centimeter, 54 centimeter, and 61 centimeter respectively. Find the length of the longest altitude. Okay, now what is the meaning of this question first? So let's draw a triangle first. Okay, and okay, now the side of the triangle, let us keep it as 44 centimeter, 61 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. Okay, and I'm drawing an altitude that we'll find later. Okay, later part of that. Okay, let us first find the semi-perimeter of the triangle. What is the semi-perimeter of the triangle? Divide the perimeter by 2. So I'm finding the perimeter, and then I will divide it by 2. So I will get this as your 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 75 centimeter. So perimeter S equal to, we have got as 75 centimeter. Now we are going to use this, okay, to find the area. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. See, A, B, and C are the length of the sides. Okay, so we can see A, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Okay, so perimeter, we'll keep it as S is your 75, 75 minus 35, 75 minus 54, and 75 minus 61. Okay, I think we have done something wrong. Okay, so what if we have done wrong is we have added it wrong. See, 35, 61 plus 54, that is your 115, and 115 plus 35, that is, I think, yes, it's okay. Now we will get this as, solve this. So 75 into 15, now into, now 21 into 14. Now Let us calculate this and you will get area equal to, that means what will be the value of area after calculating all the 400 root 5. 400 root 5. If you prime factorize, you will get the value. And this means centimeter square. So you have got the value of A. Now I'm going to use this value of A, that is the area of the triangle, to find the length of the longest altitude. Okay? So let's erase this. Now, whenever we know the area of triangle, whenever we know the base and height, suppose let us keep this as a base of the triangle, and the height is h. So if you know the base and height, the formula we use for area equal to half into base into height. Okay. Now we are interested in finding this height only. So we can say what is, we have got the area. Area we got as 420 root 5. Okay, and half base we know is 35, and the height we are interested to find it. Okay, so the height, now you can cancel it out. If here you can cancel out 7 5 ja 7 6 ja. 60 times again you can say 5 and this 12 times. So height, that will be, finally you can see this 2 will multiply it with 12, so it is 12 root 5 centimeter. So our answer is 12 root 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, next question. Sorry, I have written here, I didn't multiplied it. Okay, I told how. That means this 2 will multiply it with this 12 and it will be 24 root 5 centimeter. Okay, next. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Find the cost of painting it at the rate of rupees 25 per square centimeter. Always remember, you have to find the area whenever there is a question of painting. Okay, and now how will you find the area? See, we have got an scalene triangle. So we have got a triangle or a triangular board whose sides are given as 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. And we want to paint here. Okay, that means we are going to paint this. The cost of painting is rupees 25 paise per square centimeter. So first we'll find the semi perimeter. What is semi perimeter? 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 2. So it is 24 by 2, that is 12 centimeter. So this we have got semi perimeter as 12 centimeter. Now we will be using it for finding area. So area equal to under root s, s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So the final we can say s is your 12. Now one, this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. So a, that means 12 minus 6, then 12 minus 8, then 12 minus 10. So you will get it as 12 into 6 into 4 into 2. Now you can solve this. You will get, I think 12 in, that means you can 12 into 2, that is 24 uh, centimeter square. So this is our area. Now the cost of the painting is rupees 25 per centimeter square. So you can say total cost will be equal to 24 centimeter square into 25 paise. Okay, so the finally you will be having 600 paise, or you can say rupees 6. Okay, so finally you got the value rupees. Okay, now the perimeter, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose area is equal to that of a triangle with sides 21 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. Okay, now let us find the semi-perimeter of this triangle first. Now, what is the semi-perimeter of this triangle? So, sides are 21 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. So, semi-perimeter will be 21 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 13 centimeter divided by 2. So, the semi-perimeter will get as 3750, that is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now, you got the semi-perimeter. Now, first you'll find the area of this triangle. So what is the area? Area will be equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So, what is area semi-perimeter? That is 25. Now, this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. A, B, and C are the length of the sides of the triangle. Okay. Now, 25 minus 21, 25 minus 16, and then we have 25 minus 13. Okay. Solve this. You will get this as 25 into 4 into 9 into 12. So you can find this area is, see, 100 and 10 into 3, 30, and then you can find it. So we have got the value 60 root 3, 60 root 3 centimeter square. Now I have got the area of this triangle. Now, let me read the question again. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose area is equal to that of the triangle. That means I'm going to find uh, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. This is your scalene triangle. So I have to find the side of an equilateral triangle whose area is 60 root 3. Okay. Now, let us read this. So, area of this triangle we have got 60 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, now I am going to convert this triangle into an equilateral triangle, but our area will be same. Okay, so let me draw an equilateral triangle. The side is A. So what is the area of an equilateral triangle? So area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So we have to take the same area. So 60 root 3 equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 will get cancelled out. So a square will be equal to 4 into 60. So a can be written as under root 4 into 60, and the value will be in centimeter. So answer that we can write it as, we have got this as a 4 root 15 centimeter. So now we have got the side of this equilateral triangle. That is A we have got as 4 root 15 centimeter. Now I'm to use this formula. I have to use this value to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side, because In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. That means when you add a plus a plus a equal to 3a. So perimeter of the triangle equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to 3 into a. So it is 3 into 4 root 15. So it is 12 root 15 centimeter. So we have got the final value. Okay, next question. Okay, now prove that the area of a quadrilateral ABCD is 4 root 4 under bracket root 3 plus 2 root 2 square meter. If A equal to 6 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter and AD equal to 4 centimeter and diagonal AC equal to 4 centimeter. At first instance, you will think that this is a very tough question. But believe me, this is one of the most easiest question that we have discussed in this session. Okay, so let us first draw a quadrilateral. Okay, so I'm drawing a quadrilateral. Okay, and name the quadrilateral as A, B, C, and D. Okay, now what is the value of A? Value of A is given as 6 centimeter. Value of BC is given as 6 centimeter. Value of AD is given as 4 centimeter. And the diagonal that is AC. AC is given as how much? 4 centimeter. Okay. Now they have asked you to prove that the area of this is ABCD is this. So how will you find the area of this quadrilateral? So let us first think of some triangle concept. So here we are missing a data also. Okay. One data that is missing is CD is also given as 4 centimeter. Okay. So keep it as a 4 centimeter. Now you have got two triangle, this and this. Okay. Now let us name this a triangle 1 and this as a triangle 2. Now you can see triangle 1 is your equilateral triangle and triangle 2 is your isosceles triangle. We'll find the area of each of these two triangles individually and then we will add them to get the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so let us find the area of this. So what will be the area of this triangle? This is an equilateral triangle. What is the formula? Root 3 by 4a square. Okay, so root 3 by 4a square. What is a? A is your 4. Okay, so 4 square, that is 4 into 4. 4 will get cancelled. So the area here for this triangle we have got as 4 root 3. Now we will find the area of this triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle is an isosceles triangle, so it is b by 4, area equal to b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. So you will solve this. What is b? B is the unequal side, so 4 by 4, 4 by 4, and then you will be left with 4a square. What is a? A is your 6, 6 square minus 4 square. Okay, now you can see you will cancel out this, so you will be left 36 into 4, that is 144. 144 you can see minus 16, so under root 144 minus 16. So what you will get? The value here as finally, so you will get this as 8 root 2. 8 root 2. Okay. Now we have got the area of both the triangles. Now what will be the area of quadrilateral? Area of quadrilateral is sum of these two triangles. So I am writing this area of quadrilateral equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So what is the area of triangle 1? It is 4 root 3 and this is your 8 root 2. So you can see if you take 4 as a common, what you will be left with? You will be left with root 3 plus 2 root 2. So you can see we have proved the area of quadrilateral ABCD as 4 under root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So this was all from today's session. Okay. Today we have discussed all the questions that were asked in weekly test 1. Okay. So all the best for your next weekly test. Thank you so much for attending this session.